With the Galaxy S26 series just a few weeks away, Samsung has started rolling out the first wave of teaser videos, using them to build steady anticipation ahead of the full launch. These initial clips focus solely on the camera upgrades, but they're clearly the beginning of a broader marketing push that will highlight certain aspects of the S26 lineup as we get closer to the announcement. The three new clips each focus on a specific part of the imaging experience. Groove is all about low-light video recording and demonstrates how the S26 series is expected to deliver cleaner, more stable footage in darker environments. Glow continues on that theme, using a nighttime fireworks scene to show stronger exposure control, smoother motion, and better handling of bright highlight details. The third video, Closer, takes a different direction by highlighting zoom performance, suggesting that long-range photography will benefit from sharper optics, improved stabilization, and smarter AI-driven processing. Each video ends with Samsung's new AI phone tag, which reinforces how central computational photography will be to this generation. These teasers line up with what's expected on the Galaxy S26 Ultra's camera setup. A refined 200-megapixel main camera, a new 12-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel 5x periscope lens, and a 12-megapixel selfie shooter. Samsung is also preparing several software improvements, including an advanced video professional codec for high bitrate recording, support for tilt wireless lens controllers, more accurate skin tones, and camera assistant options that produce a softer, more natural look. Design-wise, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to continue the familiar premium formula, with rounded edges, a more defined camera island, a USB-C port, integrated S Pen support, and a 5000 mAh battery. Samsung's color selection includes cobalt violet, black shadow, white shadow, and galactic blue, each offering a clean, refined finish. These first teasers are simply Samsung's way of setting the tone by starting with camera upgrades, and we can expect the next round of videos to spotlight performance, battery life, AI features, and other improvements as the launch date approaches. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.